Yeah. What, saddle? With the person, yeah. Sitting out here in the rain. What's all that red stuff on the water? Hey, look at the little boat. Right here.
In the water.
Little tin boat. Oh, not in the water, no. See the rain beating the surface. Come here, she says, oh my. It's wet, Mom.
She goes on the bit so well.
She does. She collects better than any horse I have ever ridden. I mean, I know that's not saying a lot because I haven't ridden a lot of well-trained horses, but she's certainly a lot better about it than Wings is. Is that a trap? Is it set? Oh. It looks like something chewed through it almost. Oh. Oh no, whoa, whoa, whoa. Huh. Whoa. This trail goes back up in here. Let's see where it goes.
What?
This trail keeps going back in the woods there. Let's see where it goes. Maybe it'll lead us up to the old house.
Or one of them.
Which feet?
Just the back one. Back right.
Oh. Yeah, his back feet don't need trimming at all. Just his front. Good boy. Whenever I lose my balance just a little, he looks back at me as if to say, "What are you doing?" Oh, nice. Oh, it just leads to that field, doesn't it? And deer stand. Jump. I jumped.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. I guess we'll go back. There's no